Why dropshipping is dead in 2026, and what is the better and smarter way to make sustainable commissions daily online in 2026. Now, as you watch this video, maybe you have tried Amazon dropshipping, maybe you have tried Shopify store, and you have lost money, you have lost lots of time, and now you're thinking, heck, what should I do to make actual 200, 500, even $1,000 daily commissions or payments in my bank account? So if you're thinking that, let me tell you, as you know, with dropshipping, the ad costs are rising, are going up and up, and the profit margin is really, really low, really little profit margins with Shopify or even Amazon affiliate or even Amazon dropshipping, right? So profits, it's really, really low, margins are low, and competition is really, really high. You cannot just switch to another product. There are also refunds, there are inventory, shipping costs, different fees, and it's all add up. Now, the better way, at least for me and my students and people around, is affiliate marketing. It's called hybrid e-commerce model. Why? Because you see, if you know anything about affiliate marketing, ClickBank network where you can promote for free digital products or physical products like weight loss supplements, Nutra, digital info products like manifestation, dating products, hobby niches like woodworking, okay, dog training. So many different categories, or health, diabetes. The best way to make money online is actually the model where you can get high profit rate with ClickBank affiliate marketing. My friend, you get 90% commissions, 90% commission per sale. So let's say you promote $200 product, you get 90% from 200 US dollars in a day, meaning 190 US dollars. Now, there are also upsells. That's why I love to promote products with great enough upsell take rate. So someone gonna buy ebook or let's say weight loss supplement for $69, and then in the same minute they're gonna get upsold a bundle, six capsules or 6 bottles for $260. So me as an affiliate on ClickBank, I'm going to earn 90% commission on that upsell. So you can see one person buying entire funnel can make me my money back plus profit from one customer, one sale. Okay, so I love personally low stress, low maintenance model. That's why I choose ClickBank affiliate marketing, and that allowed me, myself, my kids, my family, to travel to over 69 countries. I love location freedom. With dropshipping, you have high stress, high maintenance. You cannot just do location freedom stuff, travel whenever you want. You have to deal with customer stuff, with shipping, with extra fees. So it's stressful business model. I love low stress, especially for my health, for my soul, for my well-being and energy. Okay. So yes, ClickBank affiliate marketing is the way to go in 2026 because profit margin is high, 90% if you remember, and ad spend is different. For example, I spend $100 a day, and if I make $300, $400 back, I'm happy. All right. Of course, you are making thousands of dollars per day, but if you're a newbie watching this video, yes, you can get up and running in 2 to 5 days. You can be up and running, have your done for you funnel, the funnel that's converting based on human psychology, which is really important. I love Google Ads because with Google Ads, we are targeting only buyers. People go on Google for 2 reasons: to get educated, to make a buying decision, right? Or to purchase a product. That's it. They go to look for solutions to their pains and problems. That's it. We're human beings, me and you, right? So yes, that's why when someone click on your Google ad, they purchase product, and immediately, instantly, you get ClickBank commissions, and you can get payouts weekly or daily into your bank account wherever you live. So that's the best thing. You don't have to make any videos. You don't have to have any inventory. You don't have to do any shipping. All that is done for you. You're just middleman. You are an affiliate. Okay. You have a website or funnel, one page funnel, one page site that's converting based on 5 pre-selling points. Now you don't have to learn all this yourself. All this can be done together with you and together for you. Okay. But all you have to do in 2026 to make money online with affiliate marketing is having someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step, by hand holding you and give you the exact steps. Okay. Human psychology, criteria of market, message to the market match. Once you have that, you'll be able to attract the right type of audience to your affiliate links and get daily results. Okay? Because after COVID and everything, people are buying stuff more than ever. E-commerce sales are going up, but you have to choose the right product, the right business model. I mean, the right business vehicle that will allow you to have low stress, low maintenance, and also to have sustainability. You see, certainty and sustainable as passive commissions daily, sustainable money every single day. So you can make $100 today, $200 tomorrow, and maybe $500 or $600 the next day. Okay, all that is doable. Okay, it's still possible to make money online in 2026 as long as you have someone who can help you over the Zoom call, like I do with my students, my clients. We set up ad campaigns with the beginners. Okay, we get up and running, and we start having daily affiliate commissions. So that's how it works. It's all about true leadership and true personal relationship. That's why I allow you to connect with me one-on-one. There is my WhatsApp number, correct? My personal cell phone number. Most gurus on YouTube, they don't allow you to connect with them over the phone call or the chat to have personal relationship, okay? They give you AI chatbots, email, some outdated courses that used to work years ago, okay? But not with me. With me, I allow you to connect because I know if you grow, I grow. So we grow together. Now, as you watch this video, if you want to know more about it, if you want to have daily results in 2026, you can connect with me. There's my Instagram. I share my traveling, where I traveled over 69 countries. Not to brag, but to show you what kind of lifestyle is possible once you have location and time freedom. So again, thank you for watching this video. You can connect with me one-on-one. There is my email, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram.